Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos on skincare, beauty and lifestyle tips. Today I'm sharing 3 self-care tips I wish I knew sooner. These tips have transformed my routine and I hope they do same for you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about skincare. I used to think a quick wash and moisturizer were enough. But oh, how wrong I was. Investing time in proper skincare routine is a game changer. Investing 5 minutes a day for your skincare routine is enough. Start with a gentle cleanser, follow with your toner, don't skip your serum, follow with your moisturizer, then your sunscreen. This will change your skin for the best. Trust me, you will love the way your skin looks and feels. And remember, consistency is key. Only with consistency will you be able to see results. I've noticed that my video, the number 1 skincare mistake you're probably making, resonated with many of you. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out for more in-depth tips. Next, let's focus on mental health. Most of the times, we focus on the physical more than the mental. We forget that your mental health is just as important as your physical health. I wish I knew sooner how vital it is to take time for yourself. Whether it's meditation, journaling, or just taking a walk in nature. Just find what calms your mind. It's all about creating a balance and finding peace within yourself. In my video, Stay Refreshed with cucumber infused water, I touched on the importance of hydration for body and mind. It's a simple yet powerful self-care practice. Lastly, embrace your unique beauty. We often get caught up in comparing ourselves to others. But remember, you are uniquely beautiful. Celebrate your individuality and let it shine. And guys, take this from me. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. I love sharing tips also on feminine hygiene and beauty. Like in my video, Feminine Hygiene Products. What you actually need. It's all about feeling good in your own skin. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to prioritize your self-care and embrace your beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let's continue this journey together. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye!